Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be trying out a little bit of AI. So I've been seeing this going around on TikTok a lot. This AI is like one of the most advanced chat to answer bots ever. So it can literally code for you, and it can answer a ton of shit. All right, let me just give you a quick example. Write me an essay on Christopher Columbus's journey and include sources. Look at this. And it goes. Isn't that crazy? And it's actually, like, readable. It's passable. Read this through. Christopher Columbus was an Italian explorer who is credited with discovering America. In 1492, he set sail from Spain with the intention of finding a new route to Asia. Yeah, so all this is made all by itself, CJ. So it's not, like, grabbed from the internet. Plagiarism. Let's see. Please wait. Moment of truth. 100% original. Yeah. So that's kind of crazy. And this is completely free. It's completely free. And you can add a bunch of different things. So look, write me an essay on how Christopher Columbus and Barack Obama are connected. Look at this. I don't even know how you can connect the two, but it will. Instantly. Isn't that crazy? Look. Christopher Columbus and Barack Obama may seem like two different people from vastly different times and places. They're actually connected in several ways. And then look, like down here. Additionally, Columbus and Obama faced significant challenges and obstacles during their lives. Columbus struggled to secure funding for a voyage and faced opposition from some of his crew members. Obama, on the other hand, faced resistance and prejudice throughout his political career. Let's see. Write an essay on how Juice WRLD died. All right, let's see. Write an essay on how Juice WRLD died. Let's check it out. Boom. And it goes. It starts with his beginning. It knows essay structure too, right? And this one's a little shorter. But look at this. It knows how to do other shit too. So look, write an essay on how Juice WRLD died. 1,000 word count. And look, it'll make it longer. Watch, this one is 4 paragraphs. It might not make it exactly 1,000 words, but no indentation. Yeah, true. But look, it makes it longer. Boom. So it can do word counts for you too. Look at how long this is. Oh, that's weird. Oh, no, it had to keep going. So look, it made it 1,000 words. So it went from write an essay on how Juice WRLD died, 1,000 word count. I don't know. Let's see how much words this actually is. It might not be exactly 1,000 words. Let's check. 542. But it made it longer. I guess it can't do exact word counts, maybe not. But yeah, that's still pretty impressive. So other things it can do, write me code on simulating rainfall in Gotham or some shit. Look at this. It can write code as well. I'm not exactly sure. It'll take a second. It's got to think. Dude, how did Einstein come up with quantum theory? All right, we'll try that next. Maybe it doesn't like Gotham. That's a little weird. Let's try this. Write me code on simulating rainfall. What? Wait. Oh, it's telling me how. Write me code on simulating rainfall in C#. That's a coding language. Let's see how this works. Boom. It can write code. That's kind of crazy. This code uses constants to define the rainfall rate, area, time interval, and calculates the amount of rainfall in a given amount of time using the formula rainfall rate, area, time interval. Like how? It knows. It knows what rainfall is. It knows how to simulate it. And it literally gives me the code and explains it for me as well. How did Einstein come up with quantum theory? Let's see. I spelled it wrong. That's all right. Yeah. So people are saying this could really, really change the course of, maybe it doesn't like typos. This could change the course of, you know, software engineering, really. You know, some people are saying, oh, it's not going to replace us, but it'll be another tool in the toolkit. So who knows? But I mean, look, if you want to know how he came up with the quantum theory, here we go, right here. Let's see, what's another one? Oh yeah, it can be used like maliciously too, which is bad. I don't know if I want to show that, but like you can see like what are banks' flaws in their firewall. Most common. Look at this. And it'll tell you the vulnerabilities. It's kinda crazy. So people could use this maliciously. I mean, I've seen this example on TikTok before, so I'm not gonna take credit for being malicious. So I don't endorse this, but yeah, they have quite a few blocks against using it for malicious intents. But like you can, and then like okay, what is it? Code me. Well, what do we want it to code, guys? What do we want it to code? AI art too. That's a topic for another day, Hyro. How you doing, Hyro? Yeah, that's I'll do that on another video. But this is just text. You know how I got there? All right, code me a video game that plays whack-a-mole in Python. Let's see if it can do it. Dude, just stop. No way. And it gets it all done. Just like that. And it keeps going. Look, it even has text. You whacked the mole. The code defines the game grid as a list of lists and defines the initial positions of the mole and the hammer. It also defines the several functions of the moving hammer and the hammer updating the game grid, displaying the game grid, and playing the game. Alright, how about this? Describe to me how the Eiffel... Yikes. American education. Tower was destroyed. So look, if you type in things that didn't happen, look at this. The Eiffel Tower has not been destroyed. So it knows like everything. It's connected to the internet and intertwined. So it's not just gonna make up. It's not like people just gave it like a database and it's like, all right, this is it. You know, like it knows. It says it has not been. So it knows everything. Like it's currently up to date. What is the day today? Oh. Does not have access to current date or time. Oh. Alright. Are birds real? Alright, we're testing the limitations. Yes, birds are real animals. Oh. I broke it. Yup. Oh, Kanye is not Jewish. There we go. Kanye West is not Jewish. Kanye West is an American rapper, blah, blah, blah. Well, his family is Christian. There's no public information indicating that he or any of his ancestors are Jewish. Kanye West is known for his outspoken personality and his controversial statements on a wide range of topics, including politics, religion, and social issues. However, there is no evidence to suggest that he is Jewish, and he has not publicly identified as such. He has tried to say he is. In conclusion, Kanye West is not Jewish. While his family is Christian, there are no public information indicating that he or any of his ancestors are Jewish. What else, chat? Let's see. Give me a list of videos that, give me a list of titles to videos that Mr. Beast would make. Let's see. Whoa! Wait, are these real video? No way! Dude, it can give free ideas! Oh my god! Look at this! Mr. Beast is a popular YouTuber. Some potential titles for videos that Mr. Beast might make include I gave away $100,000 to strangers. He's probably already made that. Last to leave the swimming pool wins $10,000. World's largest game of capture the flag. Trying the spiciest foods in the world. Building the tallest tower of cards. Playing giant Jenga with a helicopter. Wait, has he made these? Like, I can't tell. These sound really real. But if they're not, they're great ideas, you know? Oh, other people have done it. Wait, not with the helicopter, though. So these aren't actually real. It literally came up with these. Surviving the wilderness for 24 hours. Building the world's biggest slip and slide ever. Giving a car away to random subscribers. He's done that. Racing Lamborghinis on go-karts. What? Yeah, giant Jenga with helicopters? Like, he's got to do that next. Yeah. All right. Write a poem about family. Ooh, what if it... Can it do acrostic? Acrostic. Those are really hard. I wonder if it can do that. Oh my god, it can. It did too. Family is always there. Always supportive and loving. Memories shared together. And good times and bad. Lasting bonds that never fade. You are my rock, my home. Fathers and mothers, sisters and brothers, all different, yet all the same. Memories made, laughter and tears. Inseparable, no matter the years. Loving and caring, always near. Your love is a gift, so dear. Wow. Was it made by Vin Diesel? That's good. Dude, that is good. That is a good one. Do we have any other ideas? Let's see. Okay, let me just do write a rap. Ooh. Wow, this is okay. I'm the mic master, spitting fire, bringing heat with every rhyme. My words hit hard like a punch in the gut, leaving haters in line. I flow smooth like a river of gold. My rhymes are sharp like a blade. I'm the king of the mic, and my flow will never fade. So if you want the real deal, come and take a seat. I'll show you what I'm made of, and you'll be begging for more. Cause I'm the rap king, and I'm here to reign. So listen up and don't be late for the ride of your life with the one and only Mike King. That was not that good. Okay. Write me a God of War story. Let's see how good they can do. Okay, here we go. In the realm of the gods, there's a warrior named Kratos who's feared by... Oh my god, this is going to go insane. Wow. Wait. Blades of chaos in hand, Kratos set out to take on Zeus and the other gods. He fought his way through the armies and finally faced Zeus in a fierce battle atop Mount Olympus. Despite the odds being against him, Kratos was able to defeat Zeus and claim his revenge. In the aftermath of the battle, Kratos was hailed as the greatest warrior in the land. Okay, it's not the best. I mean, pick up lines on Tinder with maximum Riz. What's the meaning behind the poem? How about that will get me in a long lasting and meaningful relationship. Okay? Oh, here we go. Maximum Riz pickup lines for a long lasting and meaningful relationship. Holy shit. Oh, the AI cockblocks me. No. Okay, let's try all three. Hi there. I really enjoyed reading your profile and getting to know you a little bit. I'm looking for a long-lasting and meaningful relationship. I think we could be a great match. Would you like to grab a coffee or go for a walk sometime to get to know each other better? Oh my god. Okay. Let's go to the matches. Let's go to Anushka. All right. Anushka. Boom. Maximum Riz. All right. Number 2. Hello, I'm new to Tinder and looking for someone who shares my interests and values. Your profile caught my eye, and I would love to learn more about you and what makes you tick. Do you want to chat and see if we have a connection? It said maximum Riz. I input maximum Riz. Guys, this is just what maximum Riz is. All right, Jazzy. Okay. All right, Jazzy. Maximum Riz. Boom. All right. Last one. Hi, I'm not that great at coming up with clever pickup lines, so I'm just going to be upfront and honest with you. I'm looking for a long-term relationship, and I think we could have a lot in common. Would you be open to chatting and getting to know each other better? No way. All right, we do it. Let's go. Rory. Yep. Okay. Let's see. Are there any others? Are wormholes real? Damn, that was fast. Aww. Where is the clitoris? Hey! It found it.
Hey.
It found it. Damn. That's false. It doesn't exist. Yep, you were wrong. Yep, you were wrong. New viewer says hello. I'm scared. What do I do? All right, let's see. Crack, dude. No, I wouldn't do that. Wait. Oxycoding this time, Auger. Ooh, wait. Hello, I'm scared. A compassionate stream. Hi there. Thank you for joining my stream. I understand you're feeling scared, and that's completely normal. I can be nerve-wracking to try something new. It can be nerve-wracking to try something new, or to put yourself out there. But remember, you're not alone, and there are people who are happy to support and encourage you. Take your time, be yourself, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. I'm here for you, and I hope you enjoy your time in my stream. Great. How to make someone who is faded than a hoe donate to you on Twitch. Faded than a hoe. 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 Shall we? Cheers, my friends. Hamlins, listen. Wait. Oh, in a sentence. I forgot to say in a sentence. Hey, I noticed that you're a big fan of my streams. If you're feeling generous, I'd really appreciate a donation to help support my channel. Every bit helps, and I'll make sure to give you a shout out and show my appreciation. Thanks in advance, and I hope you continue to enjoy my streams. Alright, that was actually pretty fun. Low-key, there's a lot you can do with this. So, yeah, make sure we're gonna be using this in future videos. Maybe making that Christmas wrap, we'll see. So, yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and you'll see here, you'll be around for more. So, thank you. Bye.